What's up, back again with another video. Here today, we're going on the boat, and so we're gonna be changing to this camera once I set the camera settings and all that. Where's my SD card? Where's my other SD card? Okay. SD card. How come this waterproofing isn't working? Okay, the waterproof is on right now, and we're gonna switch over to that camera. I'm just gonna carry my phone with me. So I'll see you guys next one part of this video while we're being on the camera.
Yeah, baby.
Guys, so I couldn't get all the clips of us boating, but I'll try to get them eventually and put them in my vlog. But yeah. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next part of this video. Yep. It's probably gonna be an end video. I know it wasn't a long video, and you guys just saw us boating or whatever, but I spent a lot of time outside practicing skating and whatever. So yeah, basically, we went boating. We showed you that. We can't fish yet because we don't have our licenses to fish. So maybe in a later vlog I'll show you guys fishing when we get our licenses and whatever. So yeah, make sure that you hit that notification bell, and subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's smash, maybe, let's try to get 10 likes on this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe, and bye.